Hello everyone, welcome back to another installation video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Honda CR-V and we're going to install the headlight tints on this vehicle. This is how it looks before the installation, and then this is how it looks after the installation. Tint has PPF particles, which means it protects from road debris and yellowing on the headlight over time. And if you guys like the product, the link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we clean off the headlight. That way we avoid any contamination on the back of the film once we start installing it. So just for the top piece layer here, you can open the hood just to make it easier to install. So just apply slip solution all around. Just place it and align it. So it's going to meet right to the edge here. And it's going to go up to here. So once you have it aligned, tack down this piece first, apply tack solution, and then tack it down. Since it is a small area, applying heat will help it adhere faster to the lens. Okay, once you have this piece tacked down, we just move on with the rest and we work our way to the end here. So just lift, tack down, make sure it's aligned, and then apply tack solution so you're able to squeegee everything out. Once you have everything tacked down here, we're just going to apply heat across the headlight. That way it stays secured and tacked down. So just apply heat and then tack it down with tack solution. We still have this remaining material here in the back. So just apply tack solution underneath here. And then we're just going to seal it with heat and tack solution and then with the microfiber towel. Okay, now the next one is this piece here. So we want to align it to this edge first. That way the material that we have here sits here and then it curves onto the edge here. So just apply your slip solution and it's just going to go align right to the edge here. Once you have it on the edge here, tack it down. So lift the film and then squeegee. And then once you have this piece secured, we just follow along with the rest. Make sure we align it. It goes aligned on the bottom and on the top, and then just squeegee. Once you get to this piece here, all we have to do is just apply tack solution and then just help it fold to the headlight here. So just apply tack solution and then hold it in place. That way the film stays tacked. It's just squeegeeing so it stays tacked down. And now the only thing remaining here is this small little cutout here. So just apply tack solution. You can use your thumb and then just tack it down. And then with your squeegee, just help it secure. And then wipe it off just to make sure everything's good and it's not lifting. And then we're just going to apply heat to help seal and help the adhesive activate. Okay, now we move on to the last piece here. So this one is just a small cutout here, just to cover this part of the headlight. Just apply your slip solution, align it here, and then it's just gonna flow towards here. And then you just tack it down with tack solution, and then with heat, you should be done. To finish it off, we just want to post heat all around the edges. That way the tint stays secured onto the headlight. So just apply your tack solution, heat, and microfiber towel all around. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Honda CR-V 2022. Pretty simple installation. Just make sure when you're installing, tack down from one end and work your way to the other end. And then once you're done, post heat all around the edges. That way the tint stays secured onto the headlight. With that being said, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video.